What if the safest SUV on the planet also happened to be the most affordable flagship you could buy? BYD just answered that question, and the answer weighs nearly 3 tons, stretches over 5.2 meters long, and came with a waiting list of more than 150,000 people before it even went on sale. That is the highest number of pre-orders for any single vehicle in BYD's entire history. Not for a cheap city car, not for a compact hatchback, for a full-size 7-seat luxury electric SUV that costs less than a base model BMW X5. This is the Great Tang? BYD calls it the Li DAR in China, and it is without question the most important vehicle the company has ever built. Not because of its speed, though it will embarrass a Porsche Cayenne in a drag race. Not because of its range, though it will drive further on a single charge than any full-size electric SUV on the market today, but because of what it does to protect the people sitting inside it. Today, we are going inside the fortress. We are going to break down why this machine might just redefine what safety means in the car industry, and why the biggest names in Europe, Japan, and America should be genuinely losing sleep over this thing. If you are new here, hit subscribe now. This channel is your front row seat to the cars that are about to change everything. Before we talk about cameras, sensors, or clever software, a truly safe car needs to survive a crash the old-fashioned way, with brute physical strength. And this is where the Great Tang starts pulling away from everything else on the market before you have even turned the key. BYD built the body of this SUV using a 13 cross-member, 9 longitudinal rail cage structure. Think of it like a roll cage from a professional racing car, except it wraps around all 3 rows of seats, not just the front. 84% of the entire body is made from high-strength steel and aluminum alloy, and in the most critical areas, the doors, the pillars, the sections that stand between your family and a side impact, the steel reaches over 2,000 megapascals. To put that number into perspective, most premium European SUVs use steel rated at around 1,000 to 1,500 megapascals in their strongest areas. The Great Tang goes significantly beyond that. But it does not stop there. Most car manufacturers in the world test their vehicles to meet the standard crash test requirements. Frontal offset, side barrier, pedestrian impact, roof strength. These are the tests that earn you your 5-star rating. BYD decided that was not enough. They went further and designed their own supplementary crash tests specifically for the Great Tang. Tests that no global safety organization currently requires. One of those tests involves stacking more than 14 tons of shipping containers directly onto the roof of the car and letting them crush straight down. That is roughly the weight of 3 fully grown elephants sitting on top of the cabin. The roof held, the passenger compartment remained completely intact. You could still open every single door. They also ran a dedicated 3rd-row side impact test. No testing body anywhere in the world currently requires manufacturers to prove that the 3rd row of seats is protected in a side collision. BYD did it anyway. Because when you build a 7-seat family SUV and parents are trusting you with their children in that back row, you had better prove those seats are safe. And BYD proved it. Now let us talk about what happens before a crash even occurs, because the best type of safety is the type that stops the accident from ever happening in the first place. And this is where the Great Tang enters territory that most Western manufacturers have not even touched yet. Every single version of the Great Tang, from the base model to the flagship, comes standard with BYD's God's Eye 5.0 Advanced Driver Assistance System, running on what the company calls God's Eye B hardware. That is not an optional extra. It is not locked behind a premium trim level. Every Great Tang that rolls off the production line gets the full package. Sitting on the roof is a Li DAR sensor, the same type of technology used by self-driving taxis to map the world around them in real time. It fires thousands of laser pulses per second in every direction and builds a detailed 3-dimensional picture of everything near the car: pedestrians, cyclists, other vehicles, road barriers, potholes, animals, anything that moves. and plenty of things that do not. Working alongside that Li DAR are 12 ultrasonic sensors, multiple millimeter wave radars, and 14 cameras positioned around the entire vehicle. Together, they create a complete 360-degree awareness bubble that surrounds the car at all times. In rain, fog, darkness, blinding sunlight, heavy traffic, empty motorways. It does not matter what the conditions are. The Great Tang can see everything. In the real world, that translates into navigation on autopilot. The car can drive itself on motorways and in city traffic, following the planned route, changing lanes when needed, adjusting speed for traffic, and reacting to sudden hazards faster than any human being ever could. It means automatic emergency braking that can detect a child running out from between parked cars and stop the vehicle before the driver has even lifted a foot. It means smart remote parking, where you step out of the car, tap your phone, and watch the Great Tang reverse itself into a tight parking space without anyone behind the wheel. And here is the part that truly separates BYD from every other manufacturer on the planet right now. BYD offers a full liability guarantee on the Great Tang's assisted driving system. If the system is engaged and an accident occurs, BYD takes full responsibility. Not you, the driver. The manufacturer itself assumes the liability. They are telling the entire world that they are so confident in this technology that they will put their own money and their own reputation on the line. Try to find a single Western manufacturer offering that today. Just one. You will not find it. Picture this scenario. You are cruising at 120 miles per hour on a German autobahn. Everything is smooth, everything is calm, and then one of your front tires explodes without warning. In the vast majority of cars on the road today, that is a catastrophic, life-threatening event. The vehicle lurches violently to one side. The steering wheel rips itself out of the driver's hands. Instinct kicks in. The driver overcorrects, and the car spins out of control at motorway speed. It happens thousands of times every year around the world, and the results are almost always devastating. The Great Tang has a system that BYD calls TBC, Tyre Blowout Control. If a tire bursts at speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour, the car detects it within milliseconds. Not seconds, milliseconds. It instantly adjusts the braking force on each individual wheel independently, compensates for the sudden asymmetric drag, stabilizes the steering, and keeps the vehicle traveling in a perfectly straight line. The driver barely feels anything more than a gentle vibration. No lurch, no panic, no loss of control. BYD demonstrated this system publicly at their proving ground, and the footage is absolutely extraordinary. They deliberately blew a front tire at high speed, and the car just carried on down the straight as though nothing had happened. Stable, composed, completely under control. Most people will never experience a tire blowout in their entire driving career, but tires do fail. Road debris does exist. And when it happens at speed, it is one of the most dangerous things that can occur in a moving vehicle. This is the kind of technology that separates walking away from the wreckage and never walking again. And BYD is fitting it as standard. Underneath the Great Tang sits BYD's DSUS-A intelligent air suspension system, a dual chamber set up using air springs at all four corners. The system can raise or lower the entire vehicle by up to 100 millimeters, nearly 4 inches of vertical travel. Heading off-road onto a rough track, the car lifts itself up automatically to clear obstacles, joining a motorway for a long cruise. It drops down to reduce drag and improve stability at speed. But the truly brilliant part is what BYD calls road preview. Sensors mounted at the front of the Great Tang continuously scan the road surface ahead of the vehicle and detect bumps, dips, potholes, and changes in texture before the wheels ever reach them. The suspension system then pre-adjusts its damping characteristics in real time, stiffening or softening each corner individually, so that by the time the wheels actually roll over that imperfection, the cabin barely moves. The passengers feel almost nothing. It is like the car is ironing the road flat before it drives over it. Now pair that with rear-wheel steering. The back wheels on the Great Tang can turn up to 7 degrees in either direction, which gives this enormous 5.3-meter long SUV a turning circle of just 5.2 meters. For context, a Mini Cooper, one of the smallest cars you can buy, has a turning circle of 5.4 meters. This 3-ton, 7-seat, full-size luxury SUV turns tighter than a Mini. It can even perform a crab walk, moving diagonally sideways into a parking space as though it were sliding on ice. And none of this is about showing off or party tricks. Every single one of these systems is fundamentally about safety. A car that can turn tighter avoids obstacles more quickly in an emergency. A suspension that reads the road ahead keeps the tires firmly planted on the surface when it matters most, in sudden braking, in sharp swerves, on wet and uneven surfaces. The Great Tang is designed so that every component of the chassis works together to keep the vehicle stable, predictable, and completely under the driver's control, even when the road, the weather, or the traffic situation is anything but predictable. Safety is about more than surviving a crash or avoiding one. It is also about keeping the driver alert and the passengers comfortable, especially across long distances. A fatigued driver is a dangerous driver. A car-sick passenger is a distraction that pulls attention away from the road. BYD thought about both of these problems and engineered solutions directly into the Great Tang. The cabin is laid out in a 2+2+3 configuration, 7 full seats across 3 rows. The front seats are what BYD calls zero-gravity seats, and they recline into an almost completely flat position for rest stops. The second row is where things get genuinely remarkable. 2 individual aviation-style seats with full electric adjustment, heating, ventilation, massage functions, and fold-out tray tables. Exactly like a business-class airline seat. There is even an integrated chiller between the seats to keep drinks cold. But here is a detail that almost everyone will overlook, and it might be one of the most thoughtful features in the entire car. The Great Tang has a dedicated anti-motion sickness system. BYD's engineers studied the specific reasons why people get car sick, the disconnect between what the eyes see and what the inner ear feels. And they built a system that works across 5 separate dimensions to minimize every single trigger. The suspension adjusts its response to reduce unexpected body movements. The acceleration and braking curves become smoother and more gradual. The air conditioning changes its airflow pattern. The cabin releases a calming fragrance, and the entertainment screens adjust their display settings to reduce visual conflict. 27 speakers deliver immersive sound throughout the cabin. A 4-screen setup provides separate displays for the driver, the front passenger, and the rear passengers, so nobody is fighting over the infotainment. Power doors open and close electrically on every entry point. Ambient lighting fills the interior. A panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light. This is not a vehicle that simply transports people from one location to another. This is a vehicle that is specifically designed to make sure everyone inside it arrives feeling better than when they got in. And when you are driving for hours with your family, that is not a luxury. It is a safety feature. Now let us talk about what all of this actually costs, because this is where the Great Tang stops being merely impressive and becomes genuinely terrifying for the established car industry. The entry-level Great Tang starts at the equivalent of roughly $35,500 US. For that money, you get a rear-wheel drive electric SUV with 800 kilometers of range, the full God's Eye 5.0 system with Li DAR, DSUS-A intelligent air suspension, rear-wheel steering, Tyre Blowout Control, 8 airbags, the complete anti-motion sickness system, and a 7-seat luxury cabin with aviation seats, tray tables, and 27 speakers. Step up to the flagship all-wheel drive version, the one that accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.9 seconds, with 585 kilowatts of combined power and a maximum range of 950 kilometers. And you are still looking at under $46,000. Now take a moment and think about what that money buys you in Europe or America. A base model BMW X5 starts above $60,000. A Range Rover Sport is north of $80,000. A 7-seat Mercedes-Benz GLS will cost you well over $100,000. Not a single one of them comes with Li DAR. Not a single one offers a manufacturer liability guarantee on its driver assistance system. Not a single one matches 950 kilometers of range. And not a single one will survive 14 tons of shipping containers crushing its roof. BYD has also confirmed that the Great Tang is heading to Europe and other overseas markets. When it arrives, it will not just be competing with the established luxury SUVs. It will be forcing every single one of them to explain to their customers why they are paying double the price for half the technology. The BYD Great Tang is not just another large SUV from China. It is a statement of intent. It is BYD telling the entire world that safety is not a luxury feature that should be locked behind a premium price tag. It should come standard on every car, at every price point, for every family. From the 2,000-megapascal steel in the doors to the Li DAR sensor on the roof. From the Tyre Blowout Control system to the anti-motion sickness technology. From the 14-tonne shipping container roof crush test to the full manufacturer liability guarantee on assisted driving. From the rear-wheel steering that outturns a Mini to the air suspension that reads the road before you see it. This is what happens when one company controls its own batteries, its own electric motors, its own semiconductor chips, its own software, and its own factories. There is no middleman. There are no compromises forced by suppliers. There is just the finished product, and the finished product is a 3-ton fortress that drives like a sports car, pampers like a first-class cabin, and costs less than a mid-range German saloon. The question is no longer whether Chinese cars can compete with the best from the West. That debate is over. The question now is whether the West can keep up. What do you think? Could the Great Tang shake up your market? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you want to see more cars like this, subscribe. We have got plenty more coming.